On October 1, 2023, Tesla unexpectedly updated the Model Y in China with changes to the exterior, interior, and a few other select specs. This move is surprising because it is not a major update as was the case with the Model 3 Highland, but a relatively limited refresh. A much more significant update, previously codenamed Juniper, is expected in the first half of 2024. Let's start with the exterior. Tesla has introduced a new black 19-inch wheel design that replaces the previous silver Gemini. We're not sure, but potentially the new wheels could be more aerodynamic as the CLTC range has increased slightly for versions with 19-inch wheels. For the rear-wheel drive Model Y, the range is estimated at 344 miles, 5 miles more than before. The dual-motor, all-wheel drive long-range version now has a CLTC range of 428 miles, which is about 17 miles more than before, and that seems too much of an increase to be attributed to the new wheels alone. The range of the top performance version remains unchanged. Interestingly, the entry-level Tesla Model Y rear-wheel drive is also faster, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 5.9 seconds, up from 6.9 seconds previously. We don't know what caused the full 1 second improvement, but it could be the engine, battery power, or a software change. Other dynamic features of the new Chinese-made Tesla Model Y are the same. Inside, the Tesla Model Y now features RGB lighting on the dashboard, and a new textile dashboard material replacing the previous wood one. This is a small step towards the Tesla Model 3 Highland, but not a complete interior upgrade. According to reports from China, the new Model Y is also equipped with Hardware 4.0 driverless computer and has some other improvements such as noise, vibration, and harshness reduction. Prices for the three made-in-China versions of Tesla Model Y remain unchanged and start at $36,788. Likewise, the estimated wait time in Tesla's online configurator lists the same amount of time, 2 to 6 weeks for rear-wheel drive and performance versions, or 6 to 8 weeks for the long-range all-wheel drive version. We anticipate that this could change later this month depending on market reaction. Beyond that, we are still determining if Tesla's other factories in California, Texas, or Germany will also implement similar designs in the near future. Still, a slightly updated Model Y could soon appear in markets other than China.